Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Iconic Coach presenting this beautiful 2011 SL550. This car is in outstanding condition inside and out. Beautiful Designo-Mocca black paint, if you can kind of see it. Beautiful color. It's Parktronic front seat climate controls. Interior color is also beautiful brown. You can see all the seat surfaces are in outstanding shape as well. Got the Airscarf, all of the wood trim, excellent shape, floor mats, everything. Airscarf system, multi-contour seats, automatic 7-speed transmission, ABC suspension, bi-xenon headlights with the curve light function, AMG 19-inch wheels, AMG styling package, premium sound, keyless go, this driver's seat and door panel, no cracks in the wood, all the stitching is excellent shape as well. Headliner, it's a non-smoker car, no strange smoking or pet odors. Headlights, excellent shape, no oxidation. Start it up for you real quick. This car also has amazing service history as well. You can have the Carfax available on our website. Just open the top for you real quick just to see it in action. So we do ship cars all over the country. Every car comes with a 1-year Carfax buyback guarantee as well at no cost to you. We have 5-star ratings on every platform. Ship about 5 to 7 cars all over the country. If you have any questions, you can reach us at 858-382-1319. All of these images, videos, Carfax will be available on our website, iconiccoach.com. Thank you.